Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how we can migrate a SQL or an Oracle database to a SQLite database. This is a new type of database supported by the P6 Professional version 8.4. It's This type of database, it's much easier to use for an end user because it's not really a database, although it has the same structure as a database. It's just a local file on the user's machine compared to a full database which has a lot more services and a lot more features allocated with it to it, which makes the administration of it quite a lot harder. So at this point, I just want to show you that I have a P6 8.4 database in Oracle XE. I'm going to connect to it and show you inside the application. And after we connect, I'm going to show you how we can migrate this database to a SQLite database. So as I said, from my experience, a SQLite database it's much easier to use than a full SQL server or an Oracle database. Excluding the instance when you have a full system administrator or when you have the knowledge to use a full server database and hopefully a server P6, I would recommend using this type of SQLite databases for P6 Professional. They are a lot easier to use and maintain compared to a full database as Oracle or SQL Server. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, we're connected to this database. And now let's migrate it. So the migration is pretty straightforward. P6 has included a tool that can perform this migration. The only limitation that I saw so far for that tool is that it requires the P6 schema in the Oracle XE database to be loaded as ADM PRM $PM. If you have the table owners or the schema name that holds the P6 tables under a different name, the utility cannot migrate the data. Okay, so we're gonna use the connection string that we have in our PRM bootstrap and that P6 can see. In here, we're going to insert the XE system password, and we're gonna choose a file name under which to save it. In this case, I'm just going to save it under Oracle XE. .db. Okay, and I've started the migration. I only have loaded that the sample data in that schema, so I don't. It won't take a lot, but depending on the amount of data you may have, this might vary. A great advantage over local database, especially the Express editions of either SQL or Oracle, are that the SQLite database can store up to 140 terabytes compared to SQL Express, which can have only 10 gigabytes, and Oracle XE, which can in 11G, I believe, can only hold 40 gigabytes. So this is the greatest advantage from my point of view. And the second one being that you don't need a full DBA to administer the database and make sure that everything is all right. Okay, once the data has been migrated, let's create a new connection to it. I'm going to go configure. Let's name it migrated Oracle XE and choose the driver type as Pro Standalone SQLite and add a connection to an existing standalone database. Okay, let's choose the file. And now let's log in with the user that we had in the original database. You can use any user, not just the admin user. And in a second, you'll see that we have P6 connected to that standalone database. Okay. And as you can see, we're connected to SQLite as to this file. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your time and hope this was helpful.